Hello, everyone. Welcome today. On Friday. Yes, it's actually Friday, December the 31st, 2021, last day of the year. And I've told you earlier we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the Tuesday edition of December the 28th, 2021. We have here 4 puzzles left. Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. 4 puzzles. And tomorrow we have no newspaper, so I will do also an additional, an unfinished additional. I believe. Yeah, the additional of October the 15th, Friday, October the 15th, I will do. 3 puzzles are left for tomorrow. Maybe I will do the quintuplet of this of today tomorrow. So otherwise we have no puzzles. And the day after, Sunday, we don't receive any big newspaper. So also another old puzzle I will solve. But first, we will do this 1 star puzzle. It will be number 3910. Yes, 3910. 3910. And before I start, I always count the printed digits well. Let me do this. For 1 star, always 27, but let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Correct. And for 1 star, for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. Which number can I pick? How about? All right. We have a 4 in this row. Wait. No, sorry. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be here. 7, 3, 9. Interesting. Then. 8. It's taking too long. Let me see. Where's the opening? Yeah. Come on. 6. Come on. 7. We have the opening, I believe. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this column. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 and a 5 in the second row. So no 3 and a 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Okay. So the 8 is missing. 8, 7, 2. 2. Okay. We have the pair here. 3. Eight. Come on. 6, 9, 6, 9, 7, 6, 9, 9, 7. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in this box. Here 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 is missing and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9. Let me not mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Okay. We have an 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 2 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. Think. 3, 3. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. And that box should be a 5. Okay. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. We have a pair, I believe. 9 and a 7 in this row. 9 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 7, 9 and the 7. So here in the first row, 3 missing numbers, 5 is missing, 2 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And 1 number is missing here. The number 6 is missing here. We have a 6 here in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Okay. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 4. Do we have all the 6? No. Interesting. 1. 1. Come on. And now. How about 3? 7, 9, and 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this row. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, another 4 there, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. So now we have two missing numbers, the 7 and a 9. But we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. The 9 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are missing. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3 are missing. Oh, 1 box left in this big square for number 7. Okay. 7, 7. Yeah. And we have a pair, 2 and a 4 in this column, 2 and a 4 in the middle column. So the column next down, need 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 4. A lot of pairs here. Yeah. 2, 2. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Also, the numbers 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are missing in this row. Well, we have a 1 and a 3 here in this column. So no 1 and a 3 in this box. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 3. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this row for number 2. Alright, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 7. 7. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2, okay. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And I need a 5 in this column. 9, 7, 1, 6. But I need a 5 in this column. So, can the 5 be here? No, we have a 5 here. Can the 5 be there? No, we have a 5 here. So, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 197. 77. 77. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. Yeah. Yeah, we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in the second column for number 9, I believe. Yeah, no 9 here. Okay. So now we have a pair. 7 and a 9 in this row, 7 and a 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. So here we have a pair, 7 and a 9. So these 3 boxes should be 163, 163. These 3 missing numbers, 163, we have a 1 and a 3 in this row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore, that box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore, this box should be a 3. And 1 box left in this row for number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers are 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers are 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes? Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. Okay. A lot of pairs. So you cannot always tell. A 1 star is always faster than 50 minutes. If I have a lot of pairs, hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. But I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later for the second puzzle. A 2 stars puzzle. Sudoku with 2 stars. See you then. Bye-bye. For now.